Yo guys, what is up? Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Salad.io. Salad is a free app that will mine cryptocurrency in your time that you're not playing games on your computer. It's easy, quick and free to use, and it is definitely worth it. I will add more information about the app in the description, so after this video check that out. Alright, so first off we want to go to Salad.io. Click download, download now, Windows, and then it should start to download. I already have it installed and I'm just going to open it up here, and what you should be doing is take them to a screen that says log in or sign up. What you want to do is sign up. This should be the screen, hold on. You want to do sign up, click the I agree, and let me just get a temp mail. Yep. So that will be your real email. I'm just doing this for test purposes, can't make a video. Make up a password and sign up, and then you should receive an email about an email that looks just like this. Then you press confirm my account. Okay, now we just wait for this, I hope. Yep. Okay, now we are signed in. We want to go to referrals, and you don't have to. This is just, I'm just doing this because you get a 2 times earning rate bonus, which I don't know why you wouldn't want that. So you're going to put in JAY, submit, and then you'll add a 2 times earning rate, and all you want to do is press start, and then it should prep, then it should say chopping, I'm pretty sure, and then you'll be earning money just like that. And you have loads of things that you can redeem, so like Hulu gift cards, Grubhub, eBay, games, if you play Minecraft, Optifying Capes, Hypixel, gift cards, Discord Nitro, Dreamscaper, anything. And it's definitely worth it. It doesn't like put too much stress on your GPU. It's just like playing a high game, like a, I don't know, like Cyberpunk or something. That's just, it doesn't destroy your GPU over time. If you don't have a compatible GPU, you can, let me stop that, go over to mining, miner details, and mine with your CPU, and that is another way. It will be slower, but it's fine. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please drop a like and put in the comments if you've done it, or any more suggestions on videos. I'd just love to hear your feedback. Alright, thanks for watching.